Good morning, gang. Welcome back to Crazy Life Homestead. I'm Mo. I wanted to do a video today to give you a before and after this storm that's coming in tonight. It's supposed to be a doozy for a very short period of time, but we'll see how that works out. So I wanted to bring you around and show you a couple of things. One of those things is the corn. This is the tallest the corn has ever been for me in a lot of years. So it's about 5 foot and it's doing really well. I have a silky that's coming in right here. The cucumbers for the ground cover are doing exactly what they're supposed to be doing, crawling. And I have cucumbers. I have quite a few of them. So it is officially pickling season. That's one. There's one back there. There's quite a few of them. I don't want to pick them yet because they're still kind of white. I don't know if I'm giving you a shot or not. But they're doing a good job of crawling. I'll have to fix that one, but loving it. As for the tomatoes, yes, I parked them too close to one another, and I'm going to go in there and thin all that out, hopefully today. It's about 10 o'clock. As you can see, the zinnias are coming straight through. They're having a good time. There is basil in here, surprisingly enough. There is basil in here. There's one. Let's go to the other side. On the other side here, you can see the basil, zinnias, basil. And there's basil in there. This is a pepper. There's a pepper. And all of this is pepper. Except for the onions. Those are the habanadas back there. A couple of basil. There's a basil. So what I plan on doing right now is get the tiller out. I did it Saturday. I'm going to do it again today just to make sure I've killed everything off. It's going around and giving me a better border because the grass was growing into the garden. So we're going to give it a couple of rounds and make sure that we kill all of this off. Okay, so as you saw, I got 2 passes around, and that's good enough for me. That means that the grasses that are there will probably die off and I can just rake them out, which gives me a little more leeway. I do have to get the tiller out one more time and finish up that one spot by the trellis. I put the trellises up last week and I planted them. I've got pole beans and cantaloupe at the moment, and don't know what I'm gonna put there next. Might be the peas. As for the tomatoes, I'm gonna get to them in a little bit. I'm gonna go take a break because that tiller really takes enough out of you. So if you've ever used one, you know what I'm talking about. I had to take a break. I was sweating up a storm. We just came back out. It's about 92 degrees, hazy, hot, and humid. And it's really doing a good job of setting up that storm that's coming in from the northwest. So I think it's actually coming down south. But I'm going to show you what we've accomplished so far. So I've left the wheelbarrow out here. It's full of water. If these guys actually take root, it'll amaze me. Helps if some of them are not upside down. But I was just kind of tossing them in here. Whatever roots. If it doesn't, that's okay. I'm not expecting a lot. Some of them do have spoils on them. But again, I'm not expecting much. I've left them here by the barn in the wheelbarrow. It'll probably get a little more rain tonight. I know of a willow tree that has a couple of branches that'll be missing tonight. So I'll throw that in there too. So as you can see, there's more spoils on the ground. Chop and drop. I'll probably put them around the plants. But as you can see, the sticks are now, you can see them again. I still have to get to the bottom of the plants, but now you can start to see the fruit. And some of these have a lot of fruit on them. Oh my goodness. I'll show you in just a second if I can find a couple of them. Here's one. Lots of fruit. Get back in there. I'll have to place you again. Again, now the fruit can get some sun and start blushing up. Trying to go slow so you can see. I still have some thinning to do because there's some down there. Oh, there's a bunny. A baby bunny. Looking for shade. Not that that isn't enough shade for them, right? Here's one that's got a lot of fruit on it. Like I said, a lot of them can now start to blush up. More chop and drop. Here's some more fruit. And I could still trim these back. These are looking much better than they were. With that rain that is coming, I was afraid that it was going to take the whole plant down. A couple of these I had to retie. There's the plant that had all the fruit on it. Come here, Mr. Zinnia. Had to tie him up. Here's another one that's just absolutely loaded. And again, he can get trimmed back. This other one here can get trimmed back. Just to open up some space for them to breathe and to start blushing. I can't see myself, so I hope you guys can see me. So the corn, I'm praying that it stays standing. And this will be an interesting night. The winds are picking up. I'm going to turn around and show you the sky. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but there's a cloud back there. And it's moving pretty fast. He's been using it. Same spot. Same bat channel. So, you get that. And I gotta get that back in the corner there. Hi gang, I'm back. I'm roaming around. They're saying tornado activity. And that'd be to our north here. I'm gonna show you what this looks like really quick. Just give me a second, let me get there. Might be able to hear the thunder in the background. It literally went right around us. I mean, it might skirt us, but I don't think we're going to get anything. It's like an orange sky. It may not look like that on the camera, but it's this orange glow. I'm glad I closed the greenhouse. Storm, by the way. It's about 7:30 at night. Okay, so we're gonna go check out the damage that was done. Oh boy. Oh, Mother Nature can be so cruel sometimes. Where's the Bella? There she is. She's bringing up the rear as usual. Yeah, I don't know whether it's showing on camera, but it's really a strange color out here. Oh boy, look at this. Yeah, that was fun. Wow. Like I said, that was fun. Oh, shoot. It was fun while it lasted, that's for sure. And I am knee deep in the mud. Oh, come on, there you go. The tomatoes look like they made it. Ain't stepping in the garden, that's for sure. I don't know whether any of that broke off. It don't look like it did. It may stand back up, I'm not sure. Putting the fence around it didn't help. You can see where the wind came from. Right from the north. And Laser Brain is out there. He knows it's over. These guys look like they're recovering. They were pretty pitiful this afternoon. Some of them still look a little pitiful, but not too bad. I hope you can see, but that's how far in the spray went. I'm gonna shut this fan off because he's not enjoying it. And you can't hear me with it on, so sounds like the radio station changed. Hold on. So that's one of the leaks that we have in the barn, probably from the critters. Miss Bella says hi. Hi everybody. Are we boring you? Sorry, not. Again, I don't know whether the color is coming in. It's just so orange out here. Yes, he's still taking his bucket out. He looked like he stayed in here most of the storm. So, he just looked like he was pacing. But he's pretty smart. He knows what to do. We can go back there anyway because I've got to walk. Missy, come on, Missy. Come on. Oh my goodness. Come on, let's go take a walk. I'll go walk around all the way into the back there and check the runoff also. That'll be fun. Well, like I said, Mr. Duke is just enjoying his nice wet grass. Just having a good old time back there. Nope, that was not a rabbit. That looks like a log. You can see this is fenced off. This is where I want to put that other garden. Sorry it's so shaky. It's a heavy stick. It's got the phone on it, but it's still a heavy stick. So here's the fence that goes into that fence row right there, and then we have all of this that I can turn into a garden. And if I've done this correctly with my measurements, it's 100 by 40. So currently, right back here is where the viney stuff is in the cemetery. We still may get some rain. That doesn't look too promising right there. It's coming at me. So we'll see. This might be a quick trip. Let's see. Ooh, it's muddy. It's a muddy mess. Mole Central. Okay, so this is what the drainage is used for. You can see it comes right up to the side here. There's not much room for leftovers. If there's any more rain, we're going to get flooded out. That's why I want to put a wall up. Oh, a little more lightning still. You can see this is moving quite fast. I'm getting dripped on. You're not, but I am. It's moving quite fast. It's probably going to go even higher than this. While we're back here, stay. Again, I don't remember what everything is, but we do have stuff growing. Better if I'm on my paper. Pretty sure that's watermelon. No, that might be pumpkin. I don't know. I'll have to go back to my video. Whatever I put here didn't take. That's for sure. I put something there. I think this might be the cushaw squash. One of these is cantaloupe. And then of course we have the two cucumber, which have produced, are producing, doing great. There's another one on here. I'm not quite sure. There was. I took one this morning. I thought there'd be another one, but oh, I guess not. That was the purpose of it, ground cover. It's all right, as long as they're growing. I didn't expect to get much back here. I didn't put any nutrients in the ground. So now that the age has set in, this is what this is all about. That's all she does is lay down. She used to chase him, and now she doesn't. So age is starting to affect her too. You ready to go back to the house? Yeah? All right, let's go. So gang, I'm gonna end it here. This one's probably a bit long. You guys stay safe, stay out of trouble. We'll catch you on the next one.